This is what I look like before flying in the F-16 Viper.
Oh my God!
And this is what I look like after flying in the F-16 Viper.
You don't understand.
You don't understand. That was crazy. Let's see how many G's I just pulled.
It's gonna be crazy, man. Oh my God. 220,
Altitude.
230, 250,
Altitude.
260, 270, over we go. Here we go! Big pull, man, flex his leg! There's that! You still with me, brother? I'm